Beautiful weather, beautiful day, beautiful people. Look at them pair. Oi oi, couple of sex gods. Oh, not him. No. Am I a Chelsea fan? No, I'm not. No. Yeah. Enjoy your trophies. Oh, no, wait.
We're having a big selfie. Yeah, come on, Charlie, get it.
Morning, Hornets. Hope you're well. What's the time? Oh, cool. 5 to 7. And we're making a move. Got a few of the boys to pick up. We've got the old Passion wagon today. There it is. It's electric, Callum. You haven't got to hold it, you see. I've equipped it with a few beers lurking around. A bit like an Easter egg hunt, really. If they can find them, they can have them. But so it's the whole thing today. But yeah, we're making a move. Early start. God, I hope it's 3 points. I really do. But look, gonna be good. Gifton Noel Williams, I bumped into him yesterday in the pub. He assures me it's a win. So if Gifton says it's a win, it's got to be a win, innit? Innit?
Well, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper.
Can you tell us?
Yeah, it's me. Thank you. Thank you.
That's my something. You don't like how I do that. Oh yeah, I'll let you get something.
So, not even halfway.
I'm doing my trousers up.
Got a Slovakian in me. Baz is doing his trousers up.
Strides up, yeah.
Strides are up.
Who said on breakfast?
Back on the A1. In we go. Unlock.
Wheelie upside, oh baby.
Fucking hell. Got all this to look forward to. Anyway, next part of the journey. See you up there. We've arrived. It's windy. Again. Jason's got his coat on because it's really warm.
Fucking freezing.
Forgot it. Right, we were off to Sharks Bar where I think we might get around a fucks because I beeped at someone for stopping in the middle of the road, so we'll see how that goes. Right, after some oxygen and a drink, we have arrived at our destination. Just to show you. It's outrageous the amount of steps in this place. Outrageous. But we're here. Team's a bit of a surprise. Who knows? Something different, I suppose. I suppose that's one way of looking at it at the moment, but fingers crossed. Need a win today, guys. Need a win. Go on, the Ords. Fucking hell! It's 1-0! It's 1-0! Use it! 1-0 to the Odds! What a start! Just the start we wanted! Come on and go, the boys!
On you, centre forward!
Get in there!
Who's taking it? Pico. Who's that?
Darian, man. Can't leave this area.
Can I see from here who that is?
I'm going to say it's Darian, man.
Pico's two, isn't it?
Can't see. I can't actually see who's taking it.
Of course he's going to score.
On Dawson's head. On the road.
You didn't see his corners the other day, though, did you? Jesus Christ.
Ah.
Out. It's back in again.
Win it. Nice.
Just foul him.
1-1. Our corner broke down here. Shit defended again, I'm afraid to say, by the looks of it. Oh, took a deflect, yeah. I don't know what. Should Foster have done better with it?
Just fell nicely to him.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, 1-1. So, little status update. We've stopped for a wee wee.
I done.
Someone needed it a little bit more than others. Basically, I've been choked to death on arse gas for the last hour and something, but we're just outside Peterborough. He's still got his cock out, but we're nearly home. So, oh yeah, sorry, arse gas. Him. Dreadful. I mean, I'm going to have to set fire to the car, I think, and my clothes. All right, Hornets, we are back. I've now done the final drop-off, got rid of everyone. Unfortunately, I have to report that the car does still smell of arse, so I'm going to be taking it to some sort of valeting team tomorrow. But great day, good laughs. Look, let's look at this positively. It's an away day. We've gone to Newcastle United, who are just off the back of beating Spurs. Let's just remind ourselves of that. And we've got a point. Was it the best performance I've seen? No. Was it different to what we've seen so far this season? Yes. Yes, it was. I thought the first half, we didn't do too bad. Obviously, we got the goal. I thought Will Hughes was different class today. I thought he's back in his natural position. A couple of players for me. Pereira, wasn't sure really about him today. I thought he could have put a little bit more effort in. But look, I know people are disappointed. I know it's still only a point and we wanted to win today because of the games we got come up. But look, we got a point. I think on another day we lose that game. Having said that, on another day we win that game. It really was one of those. And I think Newcastle towards the end didn't want it. They wanted the point. So overall, I'm pleased. A couple of things that I sort of noticed and picked up on today talking to people. The substitutions that Javi made were bizarre. I don't understand them. I don't necessarily agree with them. But what I will say is we're not playing very well at the moment. And for supporters, fans, you're entitled to your opinions. Absolutely, I agree. But don't boo a guy. You know, I'm not Isaac Success's biggest fan. Far from it. But he made a difference when he come on today. He was big, strong, he held the ball up, brought other players in. So you can't boo a guy for coming on wearing a Watford shirt. For me, it's a big no-no. But look, you're entitled to your opinions. I agree. It was a bizarre substitution. Even Chalobah coming on, I thought was bizarre. But having said that, it kind of paid off for him today. And like I say, towards the end, we were unlucky not to get a goal. But yeah, there was a bit of booze at the end as well. I don't think it's necessarily that bad. I know it's a long way to go and we're all frustrated. I am, but look, come on guys, stick together. That's what I said last week. We need to stick together. So we got no game next week. Nice bit of England international duty. Then we're up. Then we got the games really start, and that's where, unfortunately, if we'd won today, it probably would mask what's about to happen. But football's a crazy thing. Who knows? We could go and get a result against Arsenal. See what happens at City. City's a free hit. Wolverhampton Wanderers as well. And we go from there. But hopefully, fingers crossed. We don't come out the end of that still with 1 point, because I think that really does put us in a position, puts the manager in a position. But yeah, look, positives. We got a point away from home today, so that's good, and I'm pleased. Guys, thank you. Please like, share. As always, thanks very much for all your support. It is much appreciated. I'm really tired. I've driven all day. I've not had any beers, apart from one, actually. True story. Don't order non-alcoholic lager in Newcastle, because they actually give you gluten-free. Because in Newcastle, gluten-free lager is non-alcoholic. It's not the same thing at all. So anyway, but look, guys, God bless. See you 2 weeks time. We'll do it all again. Come on, you ones.